class.f3, that is a form 3. Okay, I can write form 3. Then number of years in service, 9 years. Then go to the next person information, so number 2. These 2 that I have just entered is also referring to the second person in the table, in the teacher's info. So let's see who the person happens to be. Ben Chris, and now Ben Crystal. Ben Crystal. So that is her information that I'm just about to enter. So teaching, non-teaching category, that's a category. She happens to be a teaching staff. Then rank AD2. Then academic qualification, degree, professional, degree. Then class dot form 1, number of years in service, 5. Okay, number of years in present station, yeah, it's not in service. So go to the next person. Number 3, that info ID 3, referring to somebody in the teacher info. So teaching or non-teaching, he's a non-teaching staff. Okay, non-teaching. Then rank SS2. SS2 represents what? Senior superintendent 2. Academic qualification, DBE. Professional, DBE. Class dot why will he be a non-teaching staff and he's having class? Nil. So number of years in service, 6 years. Okay, the 4th person, number 4. Okay, and then he's a teaching staff. Then rank SS1. No, let me use PS. Principal Superintendent. Qualification, let's say, is DBE, but got promoted. DBE. Then class dot form 2. Then number of years in service, he happened to be in the service for 10 years. Okay, this is a hell of enough information, so we can save this one. So this is just a basic or a simple database that we are creating. So let's create a relationship for the two tables. So after this, we will be looking at other things from there. So we are going to create a relationship for the 2 tables. So to create a relationship, we close the existing tables here. We just close them and leave it. When I say close, like this one is open, so we close it here. We close it, and then we have the window as I'm having it here. Then we'll go to database tools. We click on database tools. We come to relationship. Here we click there. Then it will open, and we have this mini here, or this small table here. If you click and you open and you happen not to have this table, there's always a part. You look at the side, add table, just click on it. So sometimes when you click on it, it will vanish. Just like my own, it has vanished. It will appear, it will vanish, it will appear. So sometimes when you are opening it, you by mistake even double click on it and then it disappear. You will not see anything there. The first time we started this database, I encountered such this problem. But when you click on the add, the table would appear, and then you do the necessary things. So now that the table have appeared, we pick any of this, we double click on it, then it will display. I just double click on it, and this is it. So this is a teacher info. Then we will double click on the professional details. Okay, we can close this thing. So info ID, that's the primary key. You can just see the key, the symbol of the key there. Then we come to the professional detail, profession details. So we have the primary key as profession ID. So we are creating relationship. So we pick the we click and hold the information ID, that's info ID here, and then drop it on info ID on this in the professional detail table, profession detail table. So here, look at it. So I will release it here, and this is what I'll have. You have query, table stroke query, teacher info, then this related table query, professional details, then we have info ID. Then what we do is we enforce integrity. Maybe we will look at it, we will explain why what enforced integrity means and what it does. But let's proceed and create the relationship for now. Okay, let's create. So we have one and then infinity sign here. So infinity means is many. So this one to many relationship. So the first time, let me edit it, and you see the one to many relationship. Yes, I want the table to come back so that you see one to many relationship, because you have one here and you have infinity sign here, meaning there are many. So that is it. Okay, let's close it. Okay, it will ask us to save. Just save it. Then open teachers table. So we have this small plus sign appearing. Look at them, they're appearing, small plus sign. So we click on it and see what happens. So when we click on it, we have a pop-up menu or a pop-up display. So having professional information, the professional details. So the first teacher, contact race, and all the details that are in the teacher info. Then we are now seeing the details on the professional details: category of teacher, teaching, rank, SS2, academic qualification, DBE, professional DBE, class dot, form 3, the number of years in service 9. So we have just been able to view the information in the second table, but we have not opened the second table. Yes, then when we click on the minus sign, it will close. Then all of them, the other teachers, you can do same. You can open and have their information when you click on the plus. Okay, that's the importance of the enforce integrity. Make sure that every distance that is right in there is intact, and there's no need to change. And if you are able to enforce integrity, you will view the information appropriately. So that is it. So thank you for going through this short tutorial with me. Like I said, we will still be looking at other things. We will look at something like copy and paste. Yes, the first thing I thought of was, how do I even copy some information or some cells, like here, data field and all those, and how do I copy them and paste somewhere? I want to duplicate this information. How do I do it? We'll look at all those things. So thank you, and I wish you all the best of luck. Go through the tutorial, and if there are questions, you can ask. Yes, and I wish we all try